Welcome to Wonder Tales. Imagine a village where each corner bursts into vibrant colors with the first whispers of spring. Welcome to Blossom Grove, a place that not only cherishes the beauty of nature but celebrates it with the heartwarming Spring Blossom Festival. The air here is sweet with the scent of fresh blooms, and the sound of laughter dances with the rustle of petals in the breeze. In the heart of this floral paradise, young Lila beams with excitement. Having inherited her grandmother's green thumb and deep love for botany, Lila views the festival as a canvas to paint her joy and share the floral wonder she's nurtured so tenderly. Today, Lila and her grandmother are up at the crack of dawn, their hands busy amongst the dew-kissed flowers of their garden. They pick tulips that glow like morning sunshine, daffodils as lively as spring itself, and cherry blossoms soft as a blush. Each basket they fill is not just with blooms but with stories and memories. As the festival begins, the village square transforms into a tapestry of colors. Stalls adorned with garlands and bouquets pop up, each a testament to the community's bond with nature. Lila, with her stall that seems to burst with life, becomes a little beacon of knowledge and beauty. She shares tales of each flower, enchanting visitors with snippets about petal secrets and bloom whispers. The highlight of the day is the eagerly anticipated flower arranging competition. Lila, with a sparkle in her eyes, joins with a heart full of dreams. Guided by the wisdom passed down from her grandmother, her hands weave through stems and leaves, crafting not just an arrangement but a story of seasons and love. As judges approach, they are captivated not only by the beauty of Lila's arrangement, but by the passion in her narration. She speaks of the joy that each spring brings, the rejuvenation of nature, and the echo of her grandmother's laughter in the garden they tend together. The announcement of Lila winning first prize is met with cheers, yet for Lila, the true victory is the shared smiles and the collective appreciation of beauty. As the festival day winds down and the sun dips below the horizon, the air fills with music and the clinking of glasses. The Spring Blossom Festival wraps up under a twilight sky, leaving hearts a little lighter and spirits brighter. Lila stands amidst the joyous crowd, her heart brimming with happiness, knowing that this festival is more than just a celebration of spring. It's a celebration of togetherness, of shared passions, and of the simple joys that weave the fabric of Blossom Grove. Through the spirit of the Spring Blossom Festival, we all learn a little more about the beauty of sharing, the strength of community, and the endless dance of nature's wonders. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more exciting stories.